Alright friends, today we are going to cover the image overlay effect. So as you can see on your screen, there have been this image. When I hover this image, then there have been text at the center with a beautiful transition, which is overlay effect that we are going to cover in this video. So for this, you have to come to your index.html. Here I have written the Zen coding. So after linking my CSS file, here create a div of class box. Here in this, create a figure where we store our image, that is 1.jpg. After saving it, then after the figure, you have to write figure caption. Here put the simple heading that is will be the description of our image. Here putting the dummy paragraph, that is lorem ipsum. So let's open with the code editor or the live server. So as you can see, our image with some text. So we have linked it our CSS file here in the style.css. In the body section, here put the margin 0, padding will be 0, and font size will be 20 pixel, and then font family will be sans serif. So after saving it, as you can see the preview, the font size has been increased. Now we are going to select and style the box. Here in this, put the position absolute. Here top 50%, because I want this image to be at the center, so I am giving you position absolute with top 50, left 50, with the transform of -50 percentile and -50 percentile. So as you can see, our image is at the center. Now I am giving the margin 0 here. After the margin 0 and padding is 0. After saving it, as you can see the preview. Now here in this, I am giving the width of 300 pixel and height is 300 pixel again. So after saving it, as you can see, our image has been at this side. Now in this, I am going to select the figure dot box. After it, figure. Here you have to put the width 100%, so that the container that we are creating will contain all the width. As you can see, now copy it down. Same for image, so that our image will be shrinking. So after this, here putting the background size so that it will contain in nothing had work. So putting the cover, it also had not worked, so remove it. After removing, as you can see, this was the our desired product, and here there have been some padding to the text area. We are going to now style the figure caption. Copy this class here, dot box and figure caption, that is fig caption, and width is 100%. So as you can see, there has been no change here. Now whether I'm checking that there have been an error done by me or not, here putting the position is relative at the figure. Now here I have copied it down to the image, not image. Here is the figure caption. So there have been no also change. They put the height is 100 percentile. After it, there was no change also. Then put the position absolute after saving. So as you can see, there have been no change here till now. Now here, let's check whether where we have made a mistake. So it is working that if I have increasing the height 400 pixel. Now why it is not working? Now checking that it is position, put the position absolute. As you can see, because I have forgotten that the container that I have created in the figure will be having the margin 0 and padding 0. This is the most important point that you have to remember for this effect, and none other than this was the most biggest mistake where the everyone do, and usually I have also done, but I have as you can say, I have worked on it and I have changed it. So here in this, text align is center. So as you can see, all the text has been at the center. Now I am selecting this class and pasting it here. Now here I am selecting the heading tag, giving the font size 35 pixel. As you can see, there have been some while large and text transform is capitalize each word. So increasing its font size to 40 pixel after saving. As you can see, there have been some increment in the heading section. Now here opacity is 0, so that it will be hidden. Now putting the transition 0.5 seconds. So when I hover this, I want to create a hover effect. So as you can see, when I hover the box, then this figure caption having the opacity of 1. So as you can see, there have been a small transition of 0.5 second when I hover this image, as you can see. And then we are going to style the here, just copy this class and creating the after and before class. So first thing that we want to remember, that we have to put the position absolute at the figure, because this will act as the parent. And here I am creating the pseudo clauses of the figure, that having before and after. Here the position is absolute, content is nil, and then I am putting the background is black, simple black, and width, as you can see, there have been no change because I have not set in the width and the height. Width is 100% high and height is 100% high. After saving, as you can see, there have been width 200% because there have been two classes here. I have put in 200%, but there have been error of percentile. Put the percentile, and after it, as you can see the preview, the width has been incremented to the 200%. After here I am going to individually style the pseudo clauses, that is before. Here I am going to change the background to green so that it will be fairly available, or we can see it. Now here put the right 0, bottom 0, means at this corner where my cursor is, right is here and bottom is here. So at this corner where my cursor is lying, now here I am giving the transform of skew 45 degree. 45 degree in the CSS mean the 45 degree that we usually draw in our copies. So here I want to give our translate X, which is 10%. So as you can see, this has been shifted. Now I am going to select this by the inspect. Here you can adjust this thing by the help of editor. So here I am this will be the transition, that at the 100, at the initial it will be the 100, and when I hover this box, then it will change to 0, so that it will entirely cover the image. This will be the effect, or you can say this will be the unrevealed trick, that that is actually the trick behind this thing. Here left is 0 and top again is 0. So after it, as you can see, our after class also has been with the before class. Now we are going to separate this thing, changing this to minus 100%. So as you can see, our after and before class has been at the corners. We want our transition to occur at the corner and end at the middle of the image. So here, as you can see, the transition will happen like this. Initially it will be the minus 100 and goes with the 0. So after here I want to change its color so that it will look pretty nice. And here, as you can see, when I hover the image, then there have been actual transition happening is 0.5. Here I am putting the transition 0.5, and in the text I am giving a transition delay. It is important to give the transition delay, otherwise the text and the transition that we have created, the overlay effect, will overlap each other time. So here in the after class I am hovering the effect. Here here in the cursor, put the transition, double it, and here put it here. Now I am reducing to 0. So as you can see, when I hover this image, then then there have been a transition in the after class. So after saving, let's double it, and here cut to before class, and here as you can see, I have minus 135 degree. That was actually the 135 degree in the after class. I have forgotten. So as you can see, when I hover this image, then these two after and before class is covering our content. Now this is the most important, that we have to put the RGBA opacity, otherwise the blend mode do not work at this color. So changing to its original coordinates, so putting the opacity 0.8, and as you can see, there have been a effect of overlay. Now here I am in this background of the content, we have nil it. So as you can see, when I hover this image, then the background is taking the place. Here put the color black so that it will be far will available, or you can see far will be visible. Top margin is top because I want the content to be at the center, not be at the center after 30%. So this is the desired product. Now I want this text to be aligned at the center and bottom. So फिर just at the box putting the overflow hidden so that this extra transition of after and before class will be hidden. When I hover this image, then there have been the effect will be available. So here I want also the things that related to the box caption. Here in this I am creating a paragraph having a text decoration, not text decoration, that is text align justify, and after let's bring it to the end, otherwise the property will overlay each other. Here putting the margin 0 and 2.5 percentile. After saving it, as you can see, there have been a margin from left and right, and as you can see the desired product here, giving it 10 so that it will be at the center and visible. Now thanks for watching.